Here I am alone in this empty room, and let my mind comply to the end. Thoughts of you still lingering, my memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all the laughter, the pain that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe